If you don't know this man, well, now you do. His name is Isaac Newton, and no, he's not related to Cam Newton. He actually created 3 universal laws for physics. But more importantly, look at that beautiful hair. Newton's first law states that every object will remain at rest unless compelled to change its state by an external force.
In this first clip, before the brown center snaps the ball is sitting still because there's no force acting on the ball. Not until the center snaps the ball backwards. The center grabbing and snapping the ball is the force that causes the ball to move. In the second clip, the 49ers are kicking off to the Baltimore Ravens. The ball is sitting still on the tee. The ball won't move because there's no force acting on the ball until the 49ers kicks it off.
Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object depends on 2 things, its force and mass. The more force you put on an object, the faster it's gonna go. And heavier objects require more force to move than lighter objects.
In this clip, a player is pushing a football sled, but since there's no weight on the sled, it requires less force to push it. However, in the second clip, former Pittsburgh Steelers linebacker James Harrison is pushing a sled with 1,800 pounds of weight on it. The sled would be incredibly heavy, which means that it would require a lot more force to push it.
Newton's third law states that the Grinch was right all along and Christmas is the worst time of the year. Just kidding, Newton actually died well before that. It actually states that for every force in nature, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
In this clip, former Steelers receiver Antonio Brown jumps into a field goal post after scoring a touchdown. As he jumps into the post, he is applying force onto the field goal post. However, the field goal post is also applying an equal amount of force back to Antonio Brown. In this second clip, former OSU corner Denzel Ward hits a Maryland receiver. When Ward is going into the tackle, he's applying force onto the Maryland receiver, but the Maryland receiver is also applying an equal amount of force back into Ward.
Those are the 3 laws that Isaac Newton created for physics.
Home of Sir Isaac Newton and one of history's most famous apples, which will be part of our pie.